Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Kraken, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then first thing you have to log in and make sure that your account is verified. Now, unless and until if your account is not verified, you won't be able to proceed on to the next step. So then to buy Bitcoin on Kraken, first thing you have to make sure that you have already added a payment source and that you have enough funds. So then to begin with, click on the trade icon located in the top left hand side corner. Next page, you'll be taken to this page where you will be asked to select the asset that you wish to buy. So go ahead and select the asset and then select the network type as well. So after you've done that, you'll be taken to the info page where you need to go ahead and tap on the buy button. So if you're sure about the buying process, so click on buy located right at the bottom. And along with that, you have to enter in the exact amount, the price, market, and all that, and convert your currency as well. And click on buy located right at the bottom. And lastly, after you've done that, you need to go to the confirmation page where you have to provide in all of the information or review the information that you've provided, and you can just confirm the buy or place an order for it. So in this way, you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.